What is up, guys? In today's video we'll be showing you how to make a CapCut edit. So what you want to do is go on to edit and press on new project. Put on whatever video, so like this one. That was the weird video. So yeah, what you want to do is press add at the bottom corner. And then what you want to do is, if you want to add audio, just press audio at the bottom, and then sounds, and then type whatever song you want. So I'll just put Backrooms Dancing. So say like this one, add, like that, and then mute clip audio. And then at the end, if you want like an animation, you can like press on the line and then press animation. And then I would I'll put ripping. Doesn't matter. But make sure it doesn't have like a little diamond in the corner, otherwise you won't be able to export it. So yeah, I'm gonna do like fire rings. Okay. So it should be like this. If you want to cut this bit out, then just press on the line. Press on the line and press delete. And then it won't. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are King Buster and Sid, and we should be out.